Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install WordPress on Windows 11. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, what are you going to do? Just search for XAMPP.com at Google, and the first link you would see download XAMPP. Just click on this option, and here you are going to install it from over here. So we need to download the latest version, which is going to be 8.2.12 over here. Just click on download, and once you click on download you will see something like this. And if it doesn't download right away, just click on over here, as you can see. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to download this XAMPP. So while we're downloading XAMPP, make sure to go ahead and download WordPress also. So this is the link which you will see once you search for download WordPress. Open this up. This would seem something like this, and just click on this one. Download both of those files. And before we go further, I want to tell you that both the process of downloading and installing WordPress on XAMPP is the same as Windows 10 and also Windows 11. So don't get confused if I'm showing this on Windows 10. Once you install that, just open up XAMPP and start installing. Once you start installing XAMPP, make sure to go ahead and click on next. You don't need to change anything until it starts installing. So once it's installed and open up, it would seem something like this. What are you going to do? Just click on start and make sure to give allow access. After that, click on start again, and that's it. They both are started right now. And what we are going to do now, after that, you just need to open the file where you just installed XAMPP. Once you open that in your local disk, just click on htdocs. And here what you are going to do, we are going to drag this WordPress zip file. Drag that over here. After that, extract that here as well. Once you do that, open that extracted file, click on this one, cut, and go back to that page and paste that over here. After that, delete those zip file and extracted files. After that, what you're gonna do, just search for localhost/WordPress. Here you just need to select the language, click on continue, click on let's go, and here it will ask for database name. What we are going to do, we are going to get the database name. How we can get that? Go ahead and open that XAMPP and click on admin in MySQL. Once you open that, you will end up over here. Click at the top left corner database. After that, name that database. So right now I'm going with this one, and click on create. Once you create that, at the left side of the menu, you will see that we have just created this. Make sure to paste that over there also. Paste the database name over here, and after that, just change the username to root and leave it as it is. Click on submit and run the installation. After that, which is going to be our last step of this video, is to install WordPress. This is going to be very easy. Just name the site title, username, password, and your email. After that, click on install WordPress. This is going to be your last step. Just enter the details, everything, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to install WordPress on Windows 11, step-by-step guide with Localhost XAMPP. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.